One inside set now, race number 5. Gate fly, the open, racing, Happy Hour, jumps quick out of the gate. Moving up is Mangaro on the outside. It's now Mangaro, followed by Happy Hour. 2 lengths back now is Sebo de Champagne, then followed by Wolf Run, running by Will J. Nicola, while Transformer is running on the tail of the fielder. Out of straight, they travel. It is still Mangaro, leads by Anek, followed by Happy Hour, running along third, Sebo de Champagne. And out of straight, they travel now. It's Happy Hour and Mangaro fighting it out for the leader. And running in third, Balang coming up, Sebo de Champagne. Here comes J. Nicole, Wolf Runner, and long way back, Transformer. Passing the half mile is still Happy Hour. Leads Balang, followed by Mangaro. Sebo de Champagne moving up now the outside, J. Nicola. But still Happy Hour. Here comes Sebo de Champagne now in second. Mangaro running in third, J. Nicole coming close now in fourth. Inside the 600, Sebo de Champagne moves up to grab the leader, followed by Happy Hour. J. Nicole now the outside. Inside the last 400, Sebo de Champagne just in front. Here comes J. Nicole on the outside and Happy Hour. Towards the final third, J. Nicole on the outside, run by with Sebo de Champagne. But still J. Nicole leads Balang coming up now. Sebo de Champagne running second and running in third, Happy Hour, Wolf Runner. And hitting the finish line is still J. Nicole. And finally J. Nicole, Sebo de Champagne, Happy Hour, Wolf Runner, Mangaro and Transformer.
1632 datingan natin. So it was the favorite J. Nicole ang ating winner. 31 yung forecast com.